Come test drive 2004 Xterra. Accelerate your activity with the Nissan Xterra. Its powerful 24-valve V6 lets you climb faster and further, while its versatile interior lets you stretch out in style and is priced below $5,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: front disc rear drum brakes, luggage rack, privacy glass, rear wheel drive, tires front all season, tires rear all season, child safety locks, power steering, pass-through rear seat, passenger airbag. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.